This is a complete ROS2 manipulation work cell running on my computer. So here you're going to have a Universal Robot 5 robotic gripper that is running on Gazebo with RViz and MoveIt2 already integrated. And you can get this with only 3 commands. So first of all, you need to clean the repository, that is 3. Then here you need to check that your machine is ready to run this lab. Here I'm running in Ubuntu 22.04, but you can do the same in Windows. So all the checks are ready. Then you need to run the build to build the Docker environment once. First time might take a while. And then launch the complete work cell. No native ROS2 installation, no physical robot required. Just clone the repository, run 3 commands, and run the industrial ROS2 manipulation lab for free. You're going to find all the instructions in this repository.